Welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I help you understand and speak better English. I really appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to watch today's episode. On today's learning lesson, we're going to talk about ways that you can ask for money that is owed to you in English. Sooner or later in life, someone is going to ask you for some money. And you, being the nice man or the nice woman that you are, you'll help them. But if they don't pay you back and you are in your right mind and you weren't gifting them the money, you're going to want your money back. And so on today's episode, I'm going to help you to communicate that in English so you can get your $600 back. If you're not a subscriber, before we get into the lesson, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, as well as the notification bell. I release 2 to 3, sometimes 5 videos a week to help you improve on your English. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified. And if you learn at least one thing, help me out by hitting that like button. Okay, let's get into today's lesson. So the first way that you can communicate to someone that you want your money back in English is you simply say, "Don't forget, you owe me." Sometimes people forget that they owe money, whether they forget on purpose or they just forgot nonchalantly. But you need to tell them, "You owe me some money." So in order for you to get that $600 back, you're going to have to go and say, "Don't forget, you owe me." Especially when you see them out spending money like they don't owe you. Then you want to do what's in the next recommendation. You want to just give them a reminder. Okay? Hey, I want to remind you, you owe me $600. Let them know you owe me $600 and I want my money. Okay? So no need to be timid. No need to be shy. You loaned it to them. Give them a reminder, whether it be verbally, by text, WhatsApp, email, Facebook inbox, however you want to do it. Communicate to them, "I'm reminding you, you owe me some money." Okay, another way that you can say in English that you want your $600 back that they owe you is to simply say, "Are you going to pay what you agreed? Are you going to pay what you agreed?" Now you're bringing them to the table and you're holding them accountable. You want to know and you want to hear from their mouth, are they going to pay what they agreed to pay? When you gave them that $600, they said they were going to pay you back. So now you have to get bold and you have to say, "Look, it's been 6 months and you haven't paid me my $600. Are you going to pay me what you agreed?" Okay. So another thing or another way that you can ask for your money in English is just simply say this: "I'm trying to handle some business. Can you help me?" And when they reply, "What business is that?" you simply say, or when they say, "How can I help you?" you simply say, "By paying me my money." Yeah, you're gonna tell them, "Look, I'm trying to handle some business and I need your help." And they're gonna ask you, "Well, how can I help you?" "Pay me my $600. That's it. I just need you to pay me my $600 that I loaned you 8 months ago." Okay? That is a great way to communicate that you are serious about getting your money back. It works for me. And so I'm relaying it to you if you're not comfortable asking people for their money back. Okay. All right. Let's go on to another example of how you can ask for your money back in English. Now, this is kind of comical, but I say do this based upon your personality. Just ask them, "Did you see the last episode of Judge Mathis?" And when they tell you no, you just simply say, "Hey, somebody went to court and they loaned somebody some money, and Judge Mathis, he saw the evidence and they indeed owed them So I'm just trying to say that sounds like a situation we're in. Think you can pay me my $600? Now this works for me because I'm my personality. I'll bring things up. Sometimes laughter breaks tension, but when you go on a year and no one has paid you and you really need that money, you got to do what you can do to let people know that you haven't forgot that they are indebted to you. And of course, when someone is indebted to you, they owe you some money. And today is $600. Hey, if you have learned something, go ahead and hit that like button. And that would really help the channel out. If you're not a subscriber, I would really be grateful to earn your subscription. Hit that red subscription button and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I release a video. I'm releasing 2, 3, sometimes 5 videos a week that are free to help you when it comes to speaking English. So I would really like you to join me as I try to help you. All right? Leave me a comment from today's episode. How would you ask for your $600 back in English? Drop that down in the comments section. I would love to hear your response. Also, be sure to follow me on my new Instagram and TikTok pages where I put information out to help you speak better English. And I hope you choose to join me on the next episode of Jay's Learning School. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless you and get your $600 back.